Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir.
Lesson agenda, working with packages, create the package specification and body, invoking the package subprograms, removing a package, displaying the package information, right? इस सेशन में जानिबा पैकेज केमती क्रिएट हुए, बॉडी पैकेज रो बॉडी केमती क्रिएट हुए, पैकेज को केमती इन्वोक करा जाए, पैकेज रो सब प्रोग्राम केमती इन्वोक करा जाए, पैकेज को केमती रिमूव करा जाए एंड पैकेज भीतर इंफॉर्मेशन केमती डिस्प्ले करिबा. Creating the package specification using the create package statement, create or replace, right? Create or replace package name is as public type and variable declaration, subprogram specification and package, right? Package bhitere euda sabu rahibo. The or replace option drop and recreate the package specification. Variable declared in the package specification and the initialized to null by default. All the constructs declared in a package specification are visible to user who are granted privilege on the package. To create package, you declare all public construct within the package specification. Specify the or replace option if overwriting an existing package specification. Initialize a variable with a constant value or formula within the declaration if required. Otherwise, the variable is initialized implicitly to null, right? The following are definition of items in the package syntax. Package name, specify a name for the package that must be unique among object within the owning schema, including the package name after the end keyword is optional, right? End keyword is optional. The end package जुड़ा करछो. Public type and variable declaration. Declare public variable, constant, cursor, expression, user defined types and subtypes. Subprogram specification. What minute? साढ़े 11 बारटा भीतर, साढ़े 11 बारटा भीतर. Declare public variable subprogram specification. Specify the public procedure or function declaration. The package specification should contain procedure and function heading terminated by a semicolon without is or as keyword and its PLSQL block, right? The implementation of a procedure or function that is declared in a package specification is done in the package body. The Oracle database stores the specification and body of a package separately. This enables you to change the implementation of a program construct in the package body without invalidating other schema object that call or reference the program construct. एटा तार ये देखो पैकेज जब हम क्रिएट करिया पे ताको राइट क्लिक करिवो न्यू पैकेज पैकेज ना दबो ओके दबो राइट देन कंपाइल करिवो ताको पैकेज को एंटायर पैकेज डिक्लेरेशन पूरा पैकेज रो डिक्लेरेशन देखो तार केमती होची देन ताको कंपाइल करिवो देन पैकेज रो मोर एठी नाटा एठी शो करिवो बुझला जेमती तमे टेबल जेमती करछो एटा एसक्यूएल जेमती मैनेज स्टूडियो जेमती टेबल क्रिएट करथलो एपडे क्वेरी भी करथलो से मैनुअली भी करि परथलो राइट तो क्वेरी रे कले से जो टेबलटा जो क्रिएट होची सेटा कोठी ऑब्जेक्ट एक्सप्लोरर रो डेटाबेस भितरे तमर पर्टिकुलर डेटाबेस भितरे दुটো सेम जिंस होइट. Creating the package specification using SQL developer. You can use SQL developer to create the package specification as follows. Right click the package. Right click the package node in the connection navigation tree. Select new package from the shortcut menu. In the create PLSQL package window, select the schema name, enter the name for the new package and then click OK. A tab for the new package is displayed along with the cell for the new package. Enter the code for the new package, compile or save using the save icon on the main toolbar, the new package, the message log tab displayed whether or not the compilation was successfully. The newly created package is displayed under the package node in the connection navigation tree. Creating the package body using the SQL developer. देखो package body केमती जेमती तमरो right click करिकी package ऊपर right click करिकी then package body तमे create करिवो then body तमे तमरो mention हबो then ताकू माने compile करिवो compile कला पर पुणी जाकी store बुझला एडी देछि step देछि देखो. Creating the package body using SQL developer. You can use SQL developer to create the package body as follows. Right click the package name for which you are creating body in the package node in the connection navigation tree. Select create body from the shortcut menu. A tab for the new package body is displayed along with the cell for the new package body. Enter the code for the new package body. Compile or save package body. The message or log tab displayed whether or not compile was successfully or not. The newly created package body is displayed under the package code package node in the connection navigation tree. It was a complete step. Example for package specification, common package. The package specified with public variable and a public procedure that are accessible from outside the package. Create or replace package name is तापर तमर variable रहला then ता भितरे मोर value initialization हला right then procedure declare हला. The v underscore std underscore com is public global variable initialized to 0.10. देखो एटा मोर global variable right. तो ये global variable टा मु जोट पहले सेठी throughout the query through रो मु ताको use कर परिबो. Then reset underscore com is public procedure used to reset the standard commission based on some business rule. It is implemented in the package body. The example in the slide, create a package called com underscore package used to manage business processing rule for commission calculation. The v underscore std underscore com public variable is declared to hold a maximum allowable percentage commission for the user section and it is initialized to 0.10, that is 10%. The reset underscore com public procedure is declared to accept a new commission percentage that update the standard commission percentage if the commission variable rules are accepted. The validation rule for resetting the commission are not made public and do not appear in the package specification. The validation rule are managed by using the private function in the package body, right? Creating the package body, create or replace package body, package name, then is as private type variable declaration, then sub program bodies rahibo, then begin initialize statements tamo rahibo, then end package rahibo. The or replace option drop and recreate the package body. Identify the defines the package body are private and not visible outside the package body. All private construct must be declared before they are referenced. Public construct are visible to the package body. Create a package body to define and implement all public subprogram and supporting private construct. When creating a package body, perform the following steps. Specify the or replace option to overwrite an existing package body. Define the subprogram in an appropriate order. The basic principle is that must declare a variable or subprogram before it can be referenced by other component in the same package body. It is common to see all private variable and subprogram defines first and public subprogram defines the last in the package body, right? The complete the implementation of for all procedure or function declared in the package specification within the package body. The following are definition for items in the package body syntax is package name. Package name means specifies a name for the package that must be the same as its package specification. Using the package name after the end keyword is optional. private type and variable declaration declares private variable constant cursor exception user defined type and subtypes. Subprogram specification specify the full implementation of any private and or public procedure or functions. Begin initialization statement is an optional block of initialization code that execute when the package is first referenced. Example of a package body underscore pkg, create or replace package body common package is function, validate function दियाला, return statement दियाला, select query दियाला, procedure statement दियाला, then ता भितरे if ର condition भी दियाला, बुझला? तो package भितरे तमे ए सब जिंस जदी तमे मेंशन करूछ further reference ପାଇଁ, राइट? ପରେ तमे से पैकेज रो बॉडी टाउ खाली जदी एग्जीक्यूट करिवो ता भितरे जेते सब तमे स्टोर कर रखछ सब ऑटोमेटिक तमरो एग्जीक्यूट करी तम डाटा स्टोर करी सेति पई पैकेज टाको तयारी करा जाय, बुझला? पैकेज माने मु गोटे क्वेरी गोटे मोर रिक्वायरमेंट पई इंडिविजुअल क्वेरी लेखि के ताको एग्जीक्यूट करबा अपेक्षा जो मोर जो रिक्वायरमेंट सपोज मोर रिक्वायरमेंट होची गोटे एम्प्लॉय टेबल क्रिएट हबो ता भितरे वैल्यू पास हबो ताकू ता भितरे वैलिडेशन हबो वगैरह वगैरह तो इनिशियल स्टेज रे जेता मु एटा बनै थिबी सेटा जदी गोटे पैकेज भितर जदी मु ताकू मेंशन कर देई थिबी एबे फर्दर जदी रिक्वायर्ड जदी मते फुन थरे पडला जदी से जिंसटा को मते एंटायर क्वेरी लेखिबा दरकार नै खाली पैकेज टाकू मु रन कर देबी से ऑटोमेटिकली सब मोर एग्जीक्यूट हो सेति पई पैकेज टाकू इंपोर्टेंट कुआ, बुझला? The slide shows the complete package body for common package with a private function called validate to check for a valid commission. To validation required that the commission be positive and less than the highest commission among existing employees. The reset commission procedure invokes the private validation function before changing the standard commission in v_std_com. In the example, note that following the v_standard_commission variable refreshed in the reset_commission procedure is public variable. Variable declared in the package specification such as v_std_com can be directly referenced without qualification. The reset commission procedure implement the public definitions in the specification. In the commission package body, the validate function is private and is directly referenced from the reset commission procedure without qualification, right? Note that the validate function appears before the reset_commission procedure because the reset_commission procedure reference the validate function. It is possible to create forward declaration for subprogram in the package body if their order of appearance need to the change. If a package specification declare only types, constants, variables, and expectation without any subprogram specification, then the package body is unnecessary. However, the body can be used to initialize item declared in the package specification. बुझला? Invoking the package subprogram एटा हम काली करबो, राइट? मो मोर जो प्रैक्टिकल येटा सेटा आज सरी जीवो मु तुम काली सेकंड हाफ रे सेटा पठा दी, बुझला? जो माने जो बळी जाई जो तुम प्रैक्टिकल सेक्शन ओडा जो बळी छी हला बंच क्लियर? ओके, थैंक यू।